My name is Nyambura, based in Kenya, managing programs and partnerships for Ethical Tea Partnership in Kenya. At the moment, the Kenya tea sector is experiencing three main challenges. The first challenge is climate change that is affecting the production and quality of tea, and farmers are experiencing changes in weather patterns and prolonged drought. The tea sector is also experiencing increase in social issues like gender-based violence and child abuse and a lot of discrimination against women. And this, of course, is related to the reduction of production and income. The sector is also experiencing quite a lot of regulation changes and policies in the tea sector that are not really well understood and owned by the farmers and the stakeholders, hence lack of ownership and poor management of the tea sector. ETP has achieved quite a lot in the last 5 years through the programs that we've implemented in Kenya. One that is very close to my heart is ensuring that the discussion of the workers who are hired by smallholder farmers is an agenda in all the leadership discussions in the tea sector. At the moment, over 2,000 smallholder farmer workers have been engaged in trainings, which was not happening in the past. We've also worked very closely with community members, tea workers, and farmers to ensure that they have access to clean drinking water and access to education in terms of financial literacy and family planning services. This has been made possible through our partnership with the government and the local leadership. We've also worked very closely with local governments to ensure that children of the workers and the farmers have access to education through bursaries and scholarships that was not happening in the past. ETP has implemented or has been implementing its project through partnerships, and we've developed great partnership with KTDA, and our programs that we've implemented with KTDA have been very, very successful. But with the new changes within KTDA, there are two lessons that I have learned. One is it's very, very risky to over-depend on one partner, and this could put your project or could put our project into a risk, especially if there are disruptions that are like currently what is happening within KTDA. That can affect the projects that we are implementing. Then the other lesson that I have learned over time, working very closely with KTDA, is that with time, we lack innovation and new ideas in terms of how and the approaches that we should take in different projects and new risks that are rising. And therefore, it is important to diversify in terms of partnership so that there's a lot of learning and new ideas coming into place so that, we have ways and different ways of dealing and ensuring that the projects are well implemented for the benefit of all the partners and the target groups. We have quite a number of projects underway, and one of the most exciting project for me is under the economic pillar, working very closely with ActionAid, using their community participatory tool to ensure that the community members are involved in decision making and developing their action plans in terms of what they need in terms of increasing their income or environmental issues or equality issues. We also have a new project coming up with Women Win to ensure that the workers in the tea communities understand their role as women and have enough confidence to ensure that they push for their rights at the leadership level and at the government level. This is under ETP equality pillar. We also were planning to work very closely with the tea communities and Rainforest Alliance and FAO in terms of ensuring we have low carbon tea